This video shows the initial setup of a Criterion NDT CR-11R or ST-11R eddy current test instrument. Let's jump into it. First, ensure that your PC meets the minimum requirements listed in the CR-11 or ST-11R manuals. Number 2. Connect the external power supply to mains and to the R unit. Then, using a Cat5e or better Ethernet cable, connect to your PC. After the ST-11R has finished booting, it looks like this, with L3 amber and L4 green. For the CR-11R, an additional indicator L1 will be amber after booting has finished. Number 3. Install the software. These two files are installers that we will send you initially to get your software installed. I'm going to use the ST-11 one today. These two package files are updates. So once you have the software installed, if we give you an update later in future, they will be a package file like this, and you can install those from the inside of the software once you have it running. So launch the installer. It's putting all the files on the C drive right now, setting up the folder structure. I just had to click yes to a UAC pop-up right there to allow this next part to run. This has already checked for .NET Framework for the correct version. If you didn't have .NET Framework, you already ran into an installer for that. But that's outside of Criterion product. That's just a regular Windows .NET Framework installer. So I'm going to click here to launch the final steps. And those right behind this window that just popped up are the instructions for what to do in this window. So you basically just want to find your Ethernet adapter that's plugged into the ST-11R at this point, and then set it up manually. You can find your adapter. If you have a whole bunch of them here, sometimes it can be hard to identify exactly which one it is, but I happen to know this is the one that is connected to the ST-11R right now, but I can unplug it and see the status change. And then I know for sure that that is the one that I want to mess with. So I'm going to go to Manual. We're going to set it just like the screen over here says, to 192.168.1.3. And then you can leave the subnet mask the way it is, hit apply, and then you close this window. You're done with that. And because I had to change the IP address, probably need to reboot at this point. Okay, I restarted my computer and these 5 shortcuts appeared. This is the shortcut to the main application. This is that network setup tool. These are the manuals. So this is the main manual that you'll find most of the information in, and this is a special manual just for ones using the remote control feature. This is the remote controller app, kind of handy. Get into that in a later video. For right now, fire up the main app here and see if it connects. So the first thing you see is it's missing the instrument file. That's completely normal for a brand new install. So just click OK, and it auto creates one for you. And this is the warm-up timer. You can bypass this timer. I'm going to do so now. And there's the main menu. Congratulations, you are talking to your ST-11R and you're ready to roll. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. Have a great rest of your day.